Amber was feeling a little homesick, so Michael found some bowling for her. A little bit different is it's got a self-service. You just go find a pair of shoes that fit, swap them with yours. First thing I'm gonna comment is they got some incredibly comfy seats here. I'm back on a bicycle. I can handle this and hold a cell phone, at least for a little bit. I have to commend Latvia, like many, well, I shouldn't say European cities, a lot of cities, they have excellent bike paths. And in Rodick we have the Greenway, but even it just runs along the river. You can't get anywhere off of the river. Realistically, you can get anywhere in the city using the bikeway. I'm sure that video looked really strange because I had to dodge a car. All right, we're done with the bikes and then the scooters. Michael says we got further to go, so he's teaching us how to use the transit system. Well, I don't know exactly where he got these training skills, but good job. That was pretty easy. Good job.